Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner displaying the P2007 code? This code indicates that the intake manifold runner control on bank 2 is stuck in the closed position, which restricts airflow and negatively affects engine performance and efficiency. P2007 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control Stuck Closed, Bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the intake runner flaps on the second cylinder bank are not opening properly. These flaps regulate airflow into the engine cylinders for better combustion, power delivery, and fuel economy. When they remain closed, the engine cannot breathe properly under load. Common symptoms include check engine light on, poor acceleration, reduced engine power, rough idle, and decreased fuel efficiency. The vehicle may feel heavy or unresponsive during acceleration due to restricted air intake. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner control system for bank 2 is mounted on the intake manifold near the bank to cylinder head. Inside the intake manifold, runner flaps control the airflow path into each cylinder. The actuator motor or vacuum actuator is attached externally to the intake manifold and operates the flap mechanism. A runner position sensor is also installed with the actuator assembly to provide feedback to the ECU. The wiring harness runs from the actuator to the ECU across the engine bay and can be affected by heat and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data with an OBD-II scanner and observe intake runner position readings and actuator response. Then inspect the actuator linkage and flap mechanism for sticking due to carbon deposits. Carbon buildup inside the intake manifold is a very common root cause. After that, check the actuator motor operation, vacuum lines if equipped, and wiring connectors for faults or corrosion. If carbon blockage is severe, intake manifold cleaning is necessary. If the actuator or sensor fails, replacement will be required. Finally, clear the code and perform a proper road test to ensure the runner system is functioning correctly. Remember, the most common causes of P2007 are carbon buildup, a faulty runner actuator, or wiring issues on bank 2. Timely repair will restore proper airflow, improve engine response, and maintain fuel efficiency.